You can think of transistors as switches or amplifiers within electronic circuits. They are semiconductor devices that can either block or open the way for the flow of electrons, thus regulating current. Transistors are super important in modern electronics because of their importance in devices like amplifiers, oscillators, and integrated circuits. There are a few different types of transistors, with bipolar junction transistors or BJT and field effect transistors, FET, being among the most common. The ability of transistors to amplify signals makes them critical in both analog and digital circuits. For instance, in a linear circuit, transistors can precisely control the voltage transfer characteristics, such as the amplification in an audio system. Here's a few key facts about transistors. First, their function. Transistors switch or amplify electronic signals. Second is their types. I mentioned earlier BJT and FET, and there are many other types of transistors as well. Third is their importance. Transistors are core components in amplification and signal processing.